Hello everyone, good morning. Today I'm going to cook Aroz Valenciana. It's super yummy and very delicious with the coconut milk, liver, chicken breast, and black pepper. And also turmeric and coconut milk and bell pepper. So you need to try, guys, and they have topping like boiled eggs. You need to try. It's so yummy and very delicious. Don't forget to subscribe, likes, and leave comment. Thank you. You have to cook the rice and then you have to boil the eggs and add oil, and also you have to stir fry the chicken liver, turn to brown. When the chicken liver is a little bit brown, then you have to set aside the clean plate and turn the liver. You can see, guys. And by the way, thank you so much for watching. To all my co-YouTuber, thank you guys for support. To those who support me, thank you so much. And to all my silent viewers, subscriber, if you don't subscribe my channel yet, subscribe. And don't forget to likes and comment, and also push the notification bell. So every time I upload a video, it'll always updated. Now the chicken liver is ready to put aside, and then we proceed next steps. We have to add chicken sausage, or you can add like Chinese sausage or something like that, guys. But I have no Chinese sausage, so I add chicken sausage, like the flavor is apple chicken sausage. So so yummy, and I estimate like 3 cups of rice and also 1 can of coconut milk, and then you have to soak the rice, and it's easy. Either you put the oven or cook the oven or rice cooker. So now the chicken sausage is ready to put set aside. So now we have to add the oil. Proceed the next steps. Carrot, you have to stir fry the carrot with a half cook. So it's ready to put aside the carrot. Add the onion, 1/2 of onion chop or slice, so you have to stir the onion until the onion is turned light brown, and then we have to add 3 cloves of garlic chopped, and also you have to add the bell pepper slice, red pepper, or if you have green pepper you can add also. So when the bell pepper and onion and also the garlic is cooked, then you have to add the chicken. Subscribe, guys, like, share, and leave comment if you like my video. And also add 1 tablespoon of black pepper. And 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. And you have to simmer it. Also 1/2 can of tomato sauce. I put a little bit, guys, and later I add tomato a little bit. It's like 1/4. And 1 can of coconut milk. I put this in Walmart. So if you want to add more coconut milk, it's up to you, or fresh coconut, but here in US we have no coconut milk, so I bought the canned food coconut milk. So as you can see, I add 1 tablespoon of chicken powder. Then add the carrot. And also 2 tablespoons of raisins and 1 tablespoon of salt. And also 1 tablespoon sauce of fish sauce. And then I add the sweet rice. And then you have to mix it well, so all the ingredients and also the turmeric is absorbed on the rice. And also bell pepper, red pepper. If you have green pepper, you can add. And also, guys, I forgot to put the green peas or snow peas. Sorry, guys, I forgot. So you can add that also, because this is the part of the ingredients. And also I add the chicken liver, which I fried, and also the chicken sausage. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and to all my silent viewers, to all my supporters, to all support me, thank you so much. God bless to all of you, and thank you for visiting my channel all the time. And please leave comment. And then now we have to simmer. Make sure your fire is turned light glow or number 2, something like that, so it's not get burn your rice. Then you have to simmers. Now the Valenciana Aroz Valenciana is ready to serve. So thank you so much. Look at it, as you can see, it's very delicious and so yummy. You need to try, guys. But what I said, I forgot the snow peas or green peas, so you have to add the green peas. So that's it only. Oh, it's up to you. Some of them they put like potato or patatas. So thank you, subscribe, likes, and please don't forget to push the notification bell, so every time I upload my video, you're always updated. Shout out to all my friends, family, subscribers, supporters, silent viewers. Thank you very much. God bless.